Okay, party people, here I am at TerrAdorna. So this is gig 4 of 4 in 3 days. I'm excited. So let me get inside and set everything up and show you what I'm working with. Let's get it. Okay, everybody. So before I go inside, TerrAdorna has 2 speakers mounted on the walls inside, and I usually pass through my system in their system to supplement everything that's going on. So I do have a custom built set of cables from my DDJ to the sub up to the top, out of the top and back into the house system just for this venue. So call it the TerrAdorna pack. But anyways, I'm gonna take pretty much everything on this half of the vehicle out of it, load it in and get it going. And there's my good man Tom. How you doing, sir?
Hello, good to see you, man. Good to see you back. We always love having you out here.
Yeah, same here. I love coming out here.
Okay.
I'm always bragging on TerrAdorna.
Good.
All right, so little family reunion. Just got through talking to Sarah. Think Crystal may pop in a little bit later. Either way, it's awesome. So let me get downloaded now. So the rolling cart here is for the infamous Kraken, which is going to run the ceremony. So what I need to do is get some stuff, play gear shuffle a little bit.
Not loosened up.
What's up, party people?
What's going on?
All right,
How you doing?
good to go.
Ready to DJ it up?
Yes, sir. We're gonna mix it up.
How you doing?
Good. All right. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. I'm Brad.
All right, man.
So,
Got you.
the groom.
It's all good.
Yep. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm ready to party.
Yes. I'm excited for some tunes, and we just fast forward through the ceremony and get to the dancing.
Yep, just
That's the
straight
best
up.
part.
You can dance at the ceremony.
Right,
Look.
true. Very true.
It's all good, man. I got you covered. Sarah's here too.
Oh, God.
How you doing?
Great, how are you doing?
All right, awesome.
I'm Nicole, I'm one of the photographers.
Okay, I'm Gerald.
Gerald, nice to meet
Pleasure
you.
to meet you.
Definitely.
We're gonna shoot it up, right?
All day long.
All right. Okay, party people, so we're all downloaded, right? We spoke to quite a few people, as you saw on the camera here. But here's what I'm working with today. I got 1 sub, EDJ, 1 top speaker, special build harness for TerrAdorna. Got a speaker pole, of course. Broke out the H1s for this one, and I got 1 mini Kenta because we're gonna light it up, and I got a DMX controller. So over for the ceremony, we got the Kraken 1K8.2, and we got the infamous Most Black pack with all the goodies inside. Let's get it all set up. All right, everybody, before we get set up, it's B-roll time. Let's get it. All right, party people, gig 4 of 4 is complete in 3 days. I'm gonna go back, recap, and share everything that happened with every gig Maybe in one video or a series. I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate all you guys' love and support and cheering, especially for those of you who support our channel. Other than that, I'm gonna pack up and get up out of here. Peace.